The word Duppy is believed to come from West African languages brought to the island during the transatlantic slave trade. Enslaved Africans carried their spiritual beliefs with them, beliefs in restless spirits, ancestral guardians, and wandering souls. Over time, these traditions blended with European ghost stories and Christian ideas about heaven and hell, forming what Jamaicans now know as Duppy Folklore. In Jamaican belief, a Duppy is the spirit of a dead person. Some are harmless, lingering to watch over loved ones. Others are restless or wicked, especially if the person died violently or with unfinished business. Rural communities long believed that silk cotton trees were homes for Duppies, and many avoided passing cemeteries at night. People would sprinkle sand in front of their doors to see if a Duppy left footprints, or turn their clothes inside out to confuse a spirit following them home. Old people would warn, "Don't call Duppy name." At night, one popular tale tells of a man walking home late one night along a lonely dirt road. He hears footsteps behind him, slow and steady. Every time he stops, the steps stop too. Too frightened to turn around, he remembers what his grandmother taught him. He quickly takes off his shirt and puts it on, inside out. Suddenly, the footsteps fade. In Jamaican folklore, Duppies can roam between midnight and cockcrow. Before dawn, they may appear as shadowy figures, rolling mist, glowing eyes in the dark, or even take the shape of animals. One of the most feared spirits is the rolling calf, a type of Duppy set to guard treasure or haunt wrongdoers.